everyone, my name is James and welcome to my YouTube channel PHP with James. So in this video we are going to learn about how to install the PHP on Windows, on Linux or on Mac OS operating system. So first of all, if you are new here and you want to learn more about PHP, PHP advanced and basic concepts, PHP tips and tricks, PHP interview questions and PHP frameworks, then consider subscribing this channel. Please pause this video right now and go to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification of my new videos. So let's get started. To install the PHP, you just need to go to your browser and type PHP installation and just go to the official documentation link, installation and configuration. So as you can see that this documentation is very well written. Like you can see all the instruction about installation on Unix, installation on Mac OS, installation on Windows system, installation on cloud computing platforms, fast CGI process manager FPM, installation on PCL extensions, problems and runtime configurations. So this is very helpful, but this is for advanced configurations. But as a beginner, you don't need to go to these details. You just need to go to this tab installation on Windows and just go to this PHP installer tools on Windows. So if we go here, we can find the XAMPP and WAMP server. These are the servers that are basically built in. They do provide us all the details that we need, like they do provide all Apache, MariaDB, PHP, Perl, and all the packages. So whenever we want to install, we can have the latest version of PHP. So you can see that here we have XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for Linux, and XAMPP for OS X. So we need to install for the Windows. So we will click here and the download will start. So I'm just going to skip this download because I already have downloaded this, and I'm just going here and starting this installer. So when you hit this, you can find that you need installer will be started, and you just need to click the next button. So we will remain these all default. Click the next, and here we can install to the next, and I'm just going to uncheck this and next and next. So I'm just going to skip this one also, like I already do have installed this. So let me show you. After installation, go to the XAMPP and you can go to XAMPP control. So this is the control panel for XAMPP. You just need to start two services like Apache and the MySQL. So after installation, just go to your browser and type either localhost or 127.0.0.1. So this is our basically localhost where we will doing all the development related tasks. So you can also go for PHPMyAdmin where you will access your MySQL and all of your databases will here. So guys, this is all about the installation, and please do subscribe and give comments on this channel how we can improve this channel and what we can do for you to make this channel more helpful. So I'll see you in the next videos. Take care.